Here we go. This is good stuff.
The feedback I've gotten is, you're a great kisser, you're a good kisser, you kiss good.
Call 1-900-909-3300 and hear it straight from Corey.
Auto-goon. Auto-gooning. Glork, 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 glork. Now we're going to watch this. Kitty cheated? Oh. This guy's a bad man.
Let's not lose any sleep over that, Jim. But what are you doing at the Salvation Army? You don't need its services. This is one of the United Fund agencies that help people less fortunate than you. Folks who wouldn't have proper food or proper clothing without United Fund dollars. What are you doing here? Well, here you are at the day nursery. Never been here before, have you? These boys and girls depend on this United Fund agency for their daytime care and their daytime food, too. They have parents, but the parents must work. And here's where they get protective and supervised care. You wouldn't take the food out of these youngsters' mouths like you took away that old man's coat at the Salvation Army.
I think he will. I think he will.
Fuck you.
Wow, what a dick.
Well, you know where some folks are sleeping soundly tonight, don't you? How about heading out there to see how they do it? What are you going to do here? You wouldn't take the security away from these youngsters, would you?
What's he? He's just going around being a cockhead. I'm gonna steal his pillow.
Lost their parents.
Fuck you, that's my blanket. At night even. Sneaking around. Sneaking around.
Oh, no. You wouldn't.
Oh, but he would.
But I guess you would.
He closed it. Just why?
And after all, what's security and peace of mind? Why, it can be blown away with a puff of wind. You can see that here at this disaster. Of course, the Red Cross is here to help. You saw to that last year when you contributed to the United Fund. But that was last year, before 600 tornadoes blasted death and destruction through the country. How do you feel about it now?
Oh, wow, dude. Wow. Fuckhead. What a douche.